To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I liked to add our rounded corners effect to first. Let's begin by right-clicking inside the project panel and go to New Item Color Matte. The default setting should already match your timeline, so go ahead and hit OK. And here select the color you'd like for your background. Give your color mountain name if you want. I'll just use the default. Now drag your video clip up one track on the timeline and then drag your color map from the project panel under the track below it, and I'll just drag my color map clips and to extend this duration to match the video clip. Now make sure your video clip on the timeline is selected, and over in Effect Controls, decrease its scale so that you can see your color map behind it. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Rough in the edges into the search box. Drag the Rough Edges effect onto your top video clip on the timeline. Now over in Effect Controls, you'll see a Rough and Edges effect. First, use this drop-down to set the edge type to cut, then increase the border to 500. Below that, increase the edge sharpness to 10. And finally, decrease the fractal influence to 0 to round out your corners. Keep in mind that when you play back the preview, the corners will look weird and angular, but when you export it, it'll look curved and normal. So don't worry about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.